Hello, Namaste children. Here today we are going to see about the next remaining 4 habits. Okay children. Next we can recall about the 3 habits, first 3 habits. Okay, the first 3 habits are, the first one is the be proactive. You are in charge of yourself. What is the second habit? Habit number 2, begin with the end in mind. Have a plan for everything. Habit number 3, put first things first. First you have to work, then only you have to play. Now we are going to see about the habit number 4. Okay, see here, habit number 4, think win-win. What is this? Think win-win. Think win-win means everybody can win. Here everybody can win. I can problem solve when an issue comes up with another person. See, when your two friends are fighting or quarreling with each other, you should be a person going there and solve their problem. If they are fighting for their pencil or anything, you should go there and solve their problem. Make the friends to say that there is no problem. You have to solve their problem and give a good solution for them. Okay children, see, you make yourself a good problem solver. Okay, making everybody to happy by including yourself. You should give a fair solution for everything. Okay, you should respect everybody. You should have respect everybody, not giving a selfish problem solver. You should not be selfish with others. You should not be a selfish person. Okay, I think about what other people want and not just I want. You should think about others also, what they want. Don't be selfish. You should think what they want. You should help them. You should be a problem solver. You should be a broad-minded. You should give everything to them, whatever they need. You have to help them, not giving everything to them. You have to help them and what they need. If they need any helps, if you have 2 pencils, you can lend 1 pencil to your friend if he is not having any pencil. Like that you can help them. I am kind to others and try to think of ways to help everyone to be happy. You should make everyone to be happy and very kind to others also. Okay, you should be very kind to others. You should help everyone. By this, when you're helping others, everybody will win. Everybody can win. See, this is the habit 4, is this think win-win. Everybody can win. You'll be a problem solver. You'll not be very selfish. You'll be kind to others. Okay. See here, we all win. See, you win, we win, I win. See here, everybody is a winner. Okay, you win, we win, I win. Everybody is a winner here. Okay, next we can go for the habit number 5. Habit number 5 is seek first to understand, then to be understood. First you have to seek first. First you have to see everybody. That is, listen before you talk. Whenever you want to talk, when a teacher is teaching you a lesson or anything, first you have to listen what the ma'am is saying, what your parents are saying. First you have to listen. Then only you can say your words. Okay, I listen to others without interrupting. When a teacher is taking class or she is talking with others or anything, we should not interrupt. First listen. Then don't go and ask ma'am. Don't talk like that. First you have to, I raise my hand. You have to raise your hand when I want to speak and wait to be called on. You have to wait for your turn to be called, then you have to speak. You have to wait for your turn and talk. Okay, then I don't blurt out. You should not be overactive. Then you should not be exposed. Okay, I don't blurt out. Okay, you should listen to others' ideas and feelings and try to understand others and listen to their ears, eyes and heart without interrupting them. I try to understand other people's views and feelings even if they are different from my own. When you are giving any suggestion, if your friends are giving any suggestion also, you should listen and think, oh okay, my friend is giving a new idea, we can accept that also. Like that, you have to accept your friends' ideas also. You have to first listen and feelings about others also. Then only we can have a good result. Then only we can achieve in everything. I raise my hand, don't blow to understand that, like the same thing. See, that boy is saying to her friend, saying to his friend, then she is listening also. Sorry. Next we can go for the habit number 6. Habit number 6 is synergize. Synergize means what? Making a group. Making a group or teams. See, what is synergize? Synergize happens when a group of people work together to come up with the most effective solution than just trying to solve it on their own. I create a better, higher way to achieve something. We have to be a problem solver. As said in before habits itself, synergies is a form of a team. It happens a group of people work together to come up more solutions. See, when we are having a group discussion with your friends, we'll be getting more ideas. All your friends, when we are discussing with a team of members, 5 members will be giving different ideas. We can get 5 ideas, 5 plans. Like this, we can have a different ideas. Everybody will be having their own ideas, own creative learning, creative thinking. Like that, when we accept the others' ideas also, we'll be getting a good result. Our way will be higher to achieve many things. See, habit 6, together is better. We have to work together. That is only, we have to work together in a team. I get along well with other people and work well in groups. See, when we are working alone, when we work along with your groups, your team will be win, you will win, your team will win. Okay. I value the strengths of my others and allow myself to learn from them. We have to value the others' points also and to learn from them. We have to learn many things from your friends, your teachers, your parents. From everybody we can learn many new ideas. We can gather everything. I know that by working together as a team, we can get more done and come up with better solutions than we could alone. Alone, when we are doing anything, we will not be getting that much successful. When we are working in team, it will be that much beneficial. When we want to drag, as a children, when we want to drag any bench or any chair, it will be very heavy. Can you able to lift it all alone? Can't. When we help, when we call your friends and work in a team, we can you able to lift it? Yes, like that. When we work in a team, our result will be good. We'll be getting a very better, good result. Okay, children. Now, see here, strategize is together is better. Together is better. Good, very good. Now, next one is habit number 7. Sharpen the saw. Here, what is the meaning of sharpen? Sharpen the saw. See here, balance is best. What is this? Balance is best. We have to balance everything. See how we have to balance. See here, I take care of my body. You have to take care of your body. Yes, am I right? Right, good, very good. By eating right. By eating right, we have to eat properly and correct food at correct time we have to eat. And good exercise daily. We have to do a good exercise and getting enough sleep. You should get enough sleep. You should get a good sleep. Daily we should get a good sleep. Ma'am, yesterday I slept for 8 hours. Today can I sleep for 5 hours? Not like that. You should get a good food, good exercise and good sleep. Daily we have to get this. Then only your body will be good. You can balance your body also. I balance my time between school, extracurricular activities, family and friends. See, you are having more time. Per day you are having 24 hours. In that we have to balance the time. You have to go to school, study, then we have to play. After coming home also we have to play and talk with the parents and friends and families. Everything we have to talk. Okay, that is only we have to balance everything. Everybody we need, each and everyone we need. So that we have to balance ourselves and balance the time and understand how to talk with the people and everything. I am always learning how to become a better person. You should be always thinking of how can I expose myself, how can I able to learn many new things from other people, how can I improve myself. Like that you have to make everything better. Like this, very good. You have to make everything better and you should show a very good result. Okay children, see, when we want to cut a big tree, when we want to, for example, when we want to cut a big tree, we have to we have to do that, going on the process of cutting. Before cutting, we have to sharpen our saw good. Then when we cut the tree, it will be very easy for us to also to cut the tree. We have to read more books and get many ideas from other people, our teachers, our parents, everybody. We have to read more books and get enough of knowledge. Want to get better results, take time to sharpen your saw. You have to take time for everything. Okay children, like this we can recap all our habits. We can recap all our habits. No, we can recap all our habits. Now habit number 1. You all know that habit number 1 is be proactive. What is this? Habit number 1, be proactive. Now that you are in charge of yourself. Very good. Now habit number 2, begin with the end in mind. Have a plan. You have to plan for everything. Habit number 3, that is put first things first. Now habit number 4, think win-win. Everyone can win. Here everyone can win. Habit number 5, seek first to understand, then to be understood. Listen before you talk. Whenever you want to talk, listen before. Habit number 6, synergize. Together is better. That is teamwork. Then play well with others. Habit number 7, sharpen the saw. Balance feels best. Okay children, once again, habit number 1, be proactive. Habit number 2, begin with the end in mind. Habit number 3, put first things first. Habit number 4, think win-win. Habit number 5, seek first to understand, then to be understood. Habit number 6, synergize. Habit number 7, sharpen the saw. Okay children, very good. We all have learnt about all the 7 habits. Okay, thank you children.